Yes, I generally do without shoes. You have the health bounce, right?
There are 3 levels.
3 levels: acceleration up, deceleration down, gravitational pull down. So when you have 3 energies on a single plane, all the waste around, the cell, the interstitial fluid, it's flushed out. When that happens, you have some of your pH cells, which are always in our body. They have something called hydrogen peroxide. They'll go to any cell that it will harm your veins and destroy it. But the other side of it is, when you jump 3 inches, you double your weight. So I'm 135 pounds, right?
Okay.
If I jump 3 inches, I'm 270 pounds. It means every cell gets lifted at once. That just keeps it tight. And the other side of it is, ready? You have the energetic vibration of light that tries to bring you down. So when you rise above it,
right,
even though for a fraction of a second, that thought process, that instant stays with you, which means I never, ever, ever have a bad day, ever. I haven't had a bad day in years.
It's always good to go against gravity once in a while.
Yeah, so I do this. I do like about 1,000 jumps, do 200 of these, 19 little break.
I like dancing on it,
little
too.
dancing.
Yeah.
I do this. And I do this, I do this.
That's a full body workout.
Yeah, shadow boxing.
It is.
It's a full
He
body.
comes over sometimes, but I do sometimes. It's not the average 25-year-old can't do.
No.
No, we do is he works out with me sometimes.
Oh, cool. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
So when you jump up, this is full body.
The benefit.
And I do sell them. I can have it shipped to you.
Yes.
It's $2.99 plus tax plus shipping. I don't know how much shipping will be.
Oh, thank you.
I don't have it on me, but
it's quite a benefit, I know.
It is.
For,
I live and die by it.
jumping.
I do now for 20.
Thanks, Arnold.
Thank you.
Love you.
That's why I have it here.